Hi, Joe here from Sound Connection. I want to talk to you about the T13 remote start system. This is our flagship remote start. It is also life-proof. It's IPX7 waterproof rating, up to 3 miles of range. When you buy this kit, you get 2 remote controls, and they're both rechargeable. Both have proximity unlock, so when you walk up to the vehicle, you can unlock the vehicle hands-free. They both have two-way confirmation, and the system includes drone. Here is the T13 transmitter, and here is the R5 backup 2-mile two-way range remote. This is the T13 remote, and this is how it works. Lock, unlock, and we push and hold to start. Now this one is set to vibrate. You can also turn it on so that it beeps when it gets confirmation. Now that it has started, we'll get another confirmation back here on the remote. Just like that. Now with this remote, it's pretty handy because we can simply walk up to the vehicle and hands-free, the remote unlocks the truck for us. Thanks for watching.